Here I've got MAZE Comet, and let me show you how to perform a hard reset on the following device through the settings. So at first, open the settings, then scroll down the menu and select Backup and Reset. And here the last option is Factory Data Reset. Simply select it. And as you can see, this operation will erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. If you truly want to perform it, click on Reset Phone. Now you have to confirm it one more time, as this operation cannot be undone. Click on Erase Everything if you still want to do it. And now just keep waiting until your device will automatically wipe all the data from its internal storage. And that's it. Your device has been reset, and now you can set it up from the beginning as a new one. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.